Hello and welcome to the Full-Thrive YouTube channel. Here we work full thrive, which means we work with clients we like, do work we love on our own schedule. One of the most valuable things that you can get when it comes to your business is great feedback and testimonials. They're not always as easy to get as you think. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to get great feedback, great testimonials from your client super easy. Get ready, it's coming up. Getting feedback and reviews on Upwork is so important. Guys, it's important. So getting a review, you ready? I'm gonna give you my surefire way to get great reviews. I want you to follow through with this. I know you're like, I'm not even on Upwork, Lisa. I don't even know what you're at. Like, you're way above my head. Tune out for just a minute and then I'll swing back with you, okay? But if you are on Upwork and you're like, man, I've really struggled to get good reviews, or they're not giving me a written review. Here is my, 6-step process. When you finish the project, assuming you did a good job, you close the project. A lot of times people think, oh, the client has to close the project. Nope, you close the project once the payment's been made, okay? Second, give them a review. Did you know that you give your clients reviews and feedback as well? So if applicable, you should give them 5 stars. This is a lot like Airbnb if you've ever given reviews. Give them 5 stars. Write a beautiful feedback, like give them written, okay, positive, detailed feedback. Now here is what you gotta do. You ready? Copy your feedback. Just like Airbnb, if you hit submit, it disappears and like they can't see it until they give you feedback and all that stuff. Copy your feedback. Send them a message. Hey Joe, I gave you a 5-star review and I left you this feedback, and then paste it for them as an example. Show them, this is the kind things I said to you and I gave you a 5-star review. And then ask, would you please take a moment, provide your review and your written feedback. It really helps me build my profile and business on Upwork. They need to give you written feedback. So make it clear, connect the dots, tell them exactly what you want. Got it? I know there was a lot of steps. But I want you to think through, how do you make it easy to get what you want? Tell your clients what to do. They actually like it when you tell them what to do. All right, these reviews I use everywhere. I use them on my proposals, like off of Upwork, or even on Upwork. I use these reviews. I use them on my website. Getting reviews and testimonials is really important. And if you don't get a written review, you guys know, you get your profile dinged, okay? All right, I'm gonna throw Paul's up here because Paul knows the difference, man. He's been in a world of pain sometimes. He's had a really high rating review and then it drops and it goes up. Meryl had the same problems. Her rating dropped and she had to talk to the client to get it back up. It just sucks. Mine dropped to 98 the other day and I was like, what happened? What happened? And then it went back up to 100. So like, this is for reals. This is why you have to manage your portfolio. Hey guys, thank you for watching. And if you are looking for more about freelancing, how to find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule, check out our videos. Make sure you subscribe so you always know when the next video drops. And we have a free Facebook group called the Full-Thrive Freelancers. We'd love to see you there.